Here's one powerful psychological trick to persuade anyone to accomplish any task 2 to 3 times faster. Let's say a task requires 6 weeks to finish. You can tell them it has to be done within 2 weeks. The magic in this is that the work will be completed in a span of time based on a person's expectation of how much time is required to do it. Parkinson's law states, work expands so as to fill the time available for its completion. If they cannot absolutely do it in that span of time, use another persuasion technique, the principle of comparison. Tell them that if they can do a really excellent job and produce exceptional results, they will be given a 1-week extension. They will compare the 2 time frames and may even thank you for giving them enough time. You gave them the impression that they are given more time, because you've added 1 week to the originally agreed 2-week time schedule, even if the task can take 6 weeks to finish. But if you're dealing with toxic people, you may need to take an unconventional approach. Watch this video next to discover 3 psychological strategies to overcome the most difficult people without even talking to them.